In this demo, I'm going to go over how to download the SheFi Wallet. Your wallet provides two main functions. It's your wallet. It's where you manage your crypto. It's also your access to all applications in the Web3 ecosystem. Downloading a wallet will allow you to have total ownership over your funds and easily navigate Web3. Let's get started. First, you're going to click on the TestFlight SheFi Wallet app. This is going to open TestFlight, where the wallet lives. Then you are going to select Download SheFi Wallet. If you don't have TestFlight, you'll be redirected to download that first. Then you will select Open. This will open your SheFi Wallet. Then select Next. Then select Next. Now select Create a new wallet. Read the terms and conditions and then select Accept. Now you're going to choose a 6-digit PIN. You will need this PIN to access your wallet. I'm going to throw this wallet away when I'm done, so I'm showing you all the steps, including my PIN. You would not share your PIN with anyone. Once you have selected your PIN, you will enter it again. Next, you'll be able to open your wallet with Face ID. I would enable this because it's extremely secure to access your wallet that way. Now you can enter in your email address as a recovery option. I chose to do this with one of my SheFi wallets. I am entering in the email address that I would like to use for potential sign-in and recovery. Next, you'll enter in the password associated with your email to log in. Then, you'll enter your phone number as a recovery option. You can click on the icon on the left where the American flag is to switch to your country code. Then you'll enter your phone number and select Continue. Then you'll enter the code that was sent to your phone number and you'll select Continue. You'll have successfully downloaded the SheFi app. You can set up your profile by giving your wallet a name and selecting Save. Now your wallet will open and you can check out the different features of your wallet, such as points. You can select the wallet button and this will open your wallet page. Here you can see your tokens and different actions: send, receive, buy, swap, and withdraw. You can also select the word collectibles to see any of your collectibles or non-fungible tokens. Your class and quest NFTs will show up here. You can select the home button in the center. This will take you back to your home screen where you can explore different applications available to you. And finally, you can select the activity button. Once you start transacting with this wallet, your activity will show up here. Congratulations on downloading the SheFi Wallet. Be sure to give us a follow so you can see more demos about this wallet and get comfortable using it across Web3.